Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot download apps on Play Store. If you want to install any one app but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and open your Play Store and click on profile icon, then click on settings, then click on network preference, then click on app download preference. From here you make sure that select over any network, then click on OK, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen, go back, and after that open your phone setting, then click on Wi-Fi, and from here you make sure that select strong Wi-Fi connection, turn off Wi-Fi toggle, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on. And after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn off mobile data, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on. And after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then click on app management, and from here you click on app settings, and from here you search for this Play Store, click on Google Play Store, and from here you click on permissions and make sure that allow all permissions. Go back, allow all permission, and after that go back and click on storage and cache, then click on clear cache, and after that go back, then click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and from here you as can see option background data. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn on this toggle, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. Go back and try to install any one app. Open your Play Store, then click on install. You as can see app is installing. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.